Hi, I'm Rasmus from Maturix, and in this video I'm going to talk about casts and monitorings, what they are and how to set them up. So a cast is what we call it in Maturix In-Situ. You might call it a pour or you might call it a foundation, but in general it's a group of monitorings, and it's if you have a single pour or a single cast where you have concrete trucks coming in and filling up and you want to monitor that group of monitorings all together and get it in a single report. So that is a cast. Monitorings, on the other hand, are those specific positions within the structure where you want to monitor the temperature and the strength development throughout the early strength development. And I'm going to show you how to set all this up with a few clicks in Maturix. So first I'm going to go to my project Skyscraper 9 here. I'm going to select it. And then over here in the menu, you can see we have something called casts. So I'm going to choose that, and this is where you set up your cast. You just click New Cast. In this case, we're going to make a foundation 13, and I'm going to select the concrete mix that I'm going to use for the strength development for this specific cast. Create. So now I created a cast or a group of monitoring, and as you can see, now I can add monitorings to this cast. So I know that I need to measure and monitor the temperature in the core of foundation 13, and I want to select both temperature, maturity and strength, and I also want to set a target of 15 MPa, and I plan to use this device. Let me just show you that again, because I also need to measure the top, let's call it top surface of the foundation with the same target. And maybe just to show you, you can also set a target in maturity as well. So let's say that it needs to cure for 3 days at an equivalent H of 20 degrees. You can set that up as well. But for this matter, I'm going to set it to 15 MPa, and I'm going to choose the other device. And as you can see now, I've created 2 monitorings within one cast, and that means that everything will be saved and stored under the same cast report. In the next video, I'm going to talk a bit about how to start the monitorings and how to set the right start time.